Hello everyone. My name is Ravi Panchal. In this video, I will demonstrate some of most useful Linux command that every beginner should know. Instead of memorizing commands, we will understand them through practical examples. So let's get started. Okay. So start with our first command. So our first command is a pwd command. So this is our Ubuntu terminal. So pwd stand for the present working directory. It shows the current location where I am working. So it gives the current location. Okay. So this is our home directory. And second command is ls command. Ls stand for the list. So it gives the list files and directories inside the current folder. Okay. So if I type ls minus a, it give the hidden files. Okay. Or if I type ls minus l, it gives all files in listed form. And if I type ls minus lh, l stand for the list and h stand for the human readable form. Okay. So it gives the size that human can read. So moving forward, now our next command is cd command. So cd stand for the change directory. So if I want going to one folder to another folder, I will use change directory command. So we type the ls command. If I want to go document, so I will type cd document doc and press the tab, so it can complete. So cd means change directory. So now I am inside the document folder. Now our next command is make directory. If I want to make a folder inside the document, so first of all we want to see all content inside the document, so we type ls. Okay. So inside the ls we have Ravi Panchal resume pdf and research paper pdf. Okay. If I want to make a folder inside the document, so we will use the make directory. Okay. So let's say name is cricket. So I made a folder inside the documents. Now type ls means cricket folder created. Okay. So now if I want to create a file, so for the file creation we will use the touch command. So touch match.txt. So by using the touch command we will create the file. What if I want to see the content inside the text file? Okay. So for printing the content we have to put some content inside the text file. So for that we using the editor. For this we are using the nano editor. Okay. So we type nano match dot txt. Okay. So this is nano text editor. We will put some content inside this text file. Okay. So let's say um a big fan of RCB. Okay. So today is final IPL match between RCB. If I want to if I want to display the content of a file. Okay. If I want to display the match.txt file content, we will use the cat command. Okay. So cat match.txt. Okay. So it will shows the text content. Okay. So now moving forward, we have a cp command. Cp stand for the copy file. Okay. If I want to the copy content from one file to another, we use the cp. Let's say we want to copy the content match.txt into the another file, that is let's say renew. Okay. let's say renew match dot txt. Okay, so it will copy the content of one file to another. So moving forward, now we have a move command. Okay, if I want to move one file to another, okay, if I want to move all match files into the cricket folder, okay, so we have to move match.txt, okay, match dot txty and renew into txt file into the cricket. Okay, so now, okay, so we have a cricket folder that contain all the match related files. So this is move file. Now what if I want to delete files? Okay, so for deleting we are using the rm command delete files. So rm minus r stand for the recursively delete. Okay, cricket is a folder that contain all match related files. Okay, now there is no cricket related document that contain match related files. Now we have some more command like grab command for searching and find command for searching, we get command for zip the content. Okay, we have a curl command for use to transfer data and interactive with apis. We have a history command to source previously executed commands. Okay, we have a history command also. These are the command. And we have a clear command that clean the terminal screen. For the bonus commands we have a man command. Man stand for the manual command. Okay, if you want to see any syntax of any command we have to type man command. Okay, so if we type man grab, okay, it shows all the description. Thank you for watching this.